Hi guys, in this video I'll show you 7 secret gestures on the AirPods Pro 3 that can completely change the way you use them. A lot of people only know the basics, play and pause, but these gestures unlock so much more. So let's go through them one by one. So first up, the single press. Okay, so that's the classic gesture, and to do that, to use this gesture, you just should press once on them on stem to play or pause your music, or ask for a call, for example. By pressing once on stem, you can pause, you can answer the call. By double tap, you can decline the call, for example, or to end the call. It's simple and super useful when you didn't want to pull out your phone or use Apple Watch to do that. Next is double press. So press the stem twice quickly, and you'll skip forward to the next track. For example, let's open Spotify. As you can see, Imagine Dragons is playing now. I'm clicking twice on my stem, and as you can see, I switched the track. I can click twice again, and as you can see, it works. But if I click triple, so 3 times, as you can see, I can move back. Okay, so when you click triple by the first time, it will it will just start a track again. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, but if you click it to the second time, okay, it doesn't work in my case just because I didn't switch forward. And now I can go back to the number 1. Okay, so it's okay. So triple click, squeeze on the stem, and your AirPods take you back to the previous track. So if you want to replace something, I think this is a cool move. And gesture number 4 is the long press, or press and hold if you want. So by default it switches between noise cancellation and transparency mode. Just press and hold on the stem. But if you want, you can customize it to activate Siri if you prefer. To do that, just open settings. In settings, find your AirPods. Scroll a bit down. Here you will see press and hold AirPods, and you can customize it to open Siri, for example, or to switch it to adaptive mode. Okay, so it's really cool feature, and you can customize your gestures. Okay, so move on, and it will really cool one. It's gesture number 5, swipe up on the stem. This raises the volume without touching your phone. So to do that, you just should, as you can see here we have our stem, we just should swipe up or swipe down. Only when your earbuds in your ear. For example, now I'll swipe up. And in this way I can, as you can see, volume up or volume down. So it's really cool feature. And finally, gesture number 6 is just it's just to answer a call, is just to decline the call without touching your earbuds. So it's really cool feature. You can scroll a bit down, and here you will see it had gestures. So it's really cool feature. As you can see, accept, reply, up and down, and decline, dismiss, slide to slide. So if you wanna accept or reply the message or accept the call, you just should make gesture by your head. So just to accept, you should slide up and down, or if you want to decline it, so you should slide from right to left, for example. And really cool feature that can help you to just to accept calls when you have something in your hands, for example, and you can't answer the call because you can't hold your phone in your hands, or you can't even press on your headphone. So I think it's really cool features, and if this video was helpful for you, please hit like, subscribe for more AirPods tips, and let me know in comments which of these gestures do you use the most. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.